What if one CNC could handle everything your shop builds? From custom cabinetry, to massive slabs, to precision components without compromise. Introducing the Renegade 5x10 CNC system from Legacy Woodworking Machinery. Built for large format work, cabinet production, and complete shop versatility. With a full 5x10 working area, the Renegade gives you space to process entire sheets, oversized components, and high-value materials, all in a single setup. No repositioning, no wasted time, just efficient, full-scale production. For cabinetry, the Renegade transforms your workflow, handling full sheet processing, nested parts, and precision joinery with ease. Cut cabinet boxes, shelves, dados, and drilling operations in one seamless process, with repeatable accuracy across every part. Whether you're building custom kitchens or running production batches, the Renegade helps you move faster and reduce waste. And cutting cabinets is just the beginning. For large slabs, the Renegade delivers perfect flattening across the entire surface, ideal for live edge tables, countertops, and epoxy pours. This means less wasted material and less wasted time. From cabinet doors to full entry doors, the Renegade gives you complete control over shaping, joinery, and detailed carving. Produce consistent door components along your cabinetry workflow, all on the same machine. The joinery system starts with the vertical workstation, perfect for machining joints on furniture parts, doors, drawers, and more. And with the ability to machine along the full length of your parts, you can process longer components faster and with greater accuracy. The integrated turning workstation expands your capability even further, allowing you to produce decorative components like spindles, columns, and even asymmetrical parts. With complete control over your turnings, you can create complex designs quickly and consistently. The Renegade 5x10 is built on a rigid steel frame. With advanced motion control, it delivers stability and accuracy even under heavy continuous workloads. From full kitchens to build-ins to custom furniture and even architectural features, the Renegade is built for projects that demand scale and precision. The Renegade 5x10 CNC system by Legacy Woodworking Machinery. Work smarter, build more, grow faster.